हेलो चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? टुडे योर कांचना मैम इज बैक विद हिंदी. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हिंदी letters. Yes, 2 new letters. Are you all excited and ready for the class? Yes, look behind me. What you can see? So many letters. What letter are these, children? You have already learned few letters, correct? Yes. Today ma'am will teach you 2 new Hindi letters. But before we start, what we are going to do? Ma'am is going to teach you a new Hindi song. Are you all excited to learn a new Hindi song? Yes, I know you all love learning the new language. Yes, so let's start then. So today's song is Lakdi Ki Kaati. You all must have listened to this song. Today I am going to teach you. So, लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़ी की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा. Yes, first we'll sing these 2 lines, then I'll teach you the next line. Okay, लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़ी की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. Yes, did you enjoy the song? Okay, one more time. लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़ी की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. Okay, next class I will teach you the next lines. Okay, now let's start the class today. So today what ma'am is going to teach you? Today ma'am is going to teach you O and OW. So now let's see what all letters we have learned till now, children. We have learned A se anar, A se आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊंट, री से ऋषि, ए से एड़ी, आई से ऐनक. Today we will learn O. Yes, so let's see what all things we get from the letter O. So children, this is the letter O. Can you see? Yes, O se Oakley. This is Oakley. Yes, when you go to your kitchen, you will see there is a Oakley in your kitchen which Mama uses. You can ask Mama to show you this Oakley. It is O se Oakley. This is also called mottle and pestle in English. Okay, now O se Os. Os means what, children? Os means dewdrop. O se odni. O se ojha. Ojha means magician. Okay, so this is the first letter, that is O. Okay, now let's move on to the next letter. What is the next letter? Ow. Ow se aushadhi. Ow se aushadhi. Aushadhi means medicine in Hindi. Okay, then ow se aujar. औजार means tools. औ से औरत. औरत means lady. Okay, so these are the things which we get from the letter OW. Now let's see how to write the letter O and OW. Okay, let's move on to our writing part. the board. So children, here we have our 2-line notebook. Same way I have drawn on the board. Yes, can you see 2 lines? And there is a gap, again 2 lines. So children, remember that you have to write on these 2 lines, not on the middle 2 lines. Okay? So you have to write on these 2 lines. So now let's see what are the steps to write the letter O and OW. Children, do you remember we have already learned the letter how to write A? So if you know and remember how to write A, O is also very easy. Now let's see the steps. So first what you have to do? You have to write number 3. Okay. So first we have to write the number 3. Then a sleeping line. Then a standing line. We have to draw one more standing line. Okay. One more standing line. Then sleeping line on the top, and we will make a slanting line with a loop. Okay, so this is O. Let us see one more time how to write the letter O. Okay, we will write number 3, then a sleeping line, then a standing line, one more standing line, then a sleeping line on top, then a slanting line and a loop. So here we have the letter O. Now if we know how to write the letter O is very easy. So what you have to do, you have to follow the same steps, children. Again, write number 3, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, one slanting line and a loop, one more slanting line and a loop. This is the letter OW. Okay, O, OW. Let us see one more time. Number 3, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line, sleeping line on the top, and 2 slanting line. Children, remember, do not forget to put the top sleeping line. It's very important when you are writing Hindi letters. Okay? And you all have to practice O and OW on your 2-line notebook. You can also practice the letters which we have already learned from A to OW. Okay? I hope you had a wonderful time learning these 2 letters. Did you enjoy the class? Yes? Now let's say bye-bye in Hindi. What do we say bye-bye in Hindi? Yes, very good. Alvida, bye-bye, फिर मिलेंगे, टाटा.